Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is algebraic expression. See, in your syllabus it is actually in half yearly. So we are now going to just try to just finish the half yearly portion as fast as possible. See, I am just giving you the overall idea of what is actually the algebraic expression, which you have already just learned in the previous classes. The algebraic expression, operation on algebraic expression, that is, you need to understand that is first what is the algebraic expression. So algebraic expression is actually the combination of constant and variables connected by some or all operations, that is plus, minus, into and divide, is known as the algebraic expression. Example, I am just giving one example over here, one another example. It is 2x cube plus 3x square minus 5x plus 3. See here, 2 into x cube plus 3 into x square minus 5 into x plus 3. That is plus, minus and multiplication. All these are combination of this arithmetic algebraic operation. That is a mathematical operation you just talk. Here it is actually another example. This is actually including everything, that is including divide also. So these are actually the algebraic expression, that is combination of constant and variable. This is actually the constant term, you know, and these are actually the terms are actually variable term, because on the basis of the value of x, this expression value is getting changed. So as per your requirement, you can also change the value of, that is the full expression. Now addition of algebraic expression, that is the first operation on algebraic expression. We are just doing some operation on algebraic expression. So this is one algebraic expression and this is another. We are just adding this one. This is actually called the column method. Column means you are just putting all this now, that is the expression in the column with the same or the like terms accordingly. Now we are just doing, see, all these are x. So this is all the like terms over here. All these are like terms. So here 5 plus 3 is 8, that is plus 8 minus 9x equal to minus x. And here is 7 plus 3 is 10 minus 4, it is coming plus 6y. And this is minus 4 minus 2, this is minus 6z and plus 10z, which is actually greater than sign will be coming, that is plus has come, and this is 4z. This way you can add with the help of this column method. Now if you are just going to the subtraction part also, this is also column method, you can also subtract. See, suppose these are the like terms, you have to just subtract this from this, this from this one. So what we are just doing, this is the column method, we are just putting the like terms just within this and just make their sign just opposite. Whenever it is minus, it will be plus, it will be minus, it will be plus, whenever plus, it will be minus. Then just do the calculation as per this addition. So here it was actually minus 3a, this is actually plus 3a, it will be just considered as plus 3a, because when you are just subtracting, no, you are just multiplying with minus, then it is just converting the all the, that is the sign over here. So it is coming 5a, and this is minus, this is plus, this is actually coming minus 2b, and this is minus 7c and plus 9c, it will be coming 2c. Now this addition or subtraction can be done in the row method also. This is the column method, this is a row method. Suppose you have to add this one plus this expression and also this expression. All these are algebraic expression. We are now doing the addition over here. What we are just doing, just get all the like terms very closer. Next, you just do the calculation within such like term. Suppose this is 5 and 1 x square, there is 6. 6 minus 3x square, it is coming plus 3x square. Then this within this x is actually c. Here 2x minus plus, it is just gone off, and this is 4x only remaining. Here 3 plus 1 4 minus 8, that is minus 4. I am just showing you how to just do the product. Product, it may be a binary terms, product of the binary terms, or mono or binary. You can also just tell like this, x and 2x plus 5. If it is coming like this is actually coming, see here, mono terms into binary terms. That is, this is monomial with binomial terms multiply. Here actually we are doing the, that is the multiplication of the binary terms with the binary terms. Here it will be coming monomials and binomials also. For this I am just not showing separately. See here that is a process is whenever these binary terms into binary terms may be coming. So that is the first term of this first term of the first algebraic expression into the second algebraic expression. The sign, what is actually the second term of the first algebraic expression, along with this it will be coming and this multiplied this one. That is first term of this, first term with this multiplication of the second term, second expression, plus or minus whatever the sign, it will be multiplied the second. Now just this is actually monomials with binomial product. That is 15 into x plus, this is plus into plus, it is plus, and 5 into 4 it is 20x. Here coming 3 into 7 21x and plus 28. All these are plus. Now just add this and just do the calculation. 15x square only. Here it is remaining. Here 20 plus 21x, it is 41x and 28. This is actually the answer. Now if it is just coming mixed with over here, see here I am just taking another binomial product over here along with this plus sign and minus sign. The same procedure you can just get it. That is, this is you can just directly do this. See 2 into x square minus 2x whenever you will be proficient over here, and here plus 2 into x y plus into minus y square. That is one step you can just do the jumping over here. See how can you just do this? In the same procedure you can just maintain this 2x minus y plus y into 2x minus y. So this step you can also just get jump whenever you are more confident, whenever you are just doing the calculation. That is 2x square minus xy plus 2xy minus ay square. This part you can also just jump over here and you can just do this calculation. This answer is this. If suppose two algebraic expressions are of different terms, that is here this is 4 terms are there, this is 2 terms are there. So here you can just do this. That is the 2 terms means here x square into this term minus 3 into this term. Do this multiplication, it will be coming x square x cubed x 5 minus 5x to the power 4 plus 3x cubed plus x square, minus into plus minus 3x cubed plus this minus into minus plus 15x square plus into minus minus 9x and minus into minus minus into plus equal to minus, it is 3. Now it was just calculating all these things, this is coming this. Say I am just taking one more product over here, that is if the algebraic expressions are 3 number algebraic expression. So here is also how to just do this. One by one you just do this, just omit this one first and do the calculation of this number. That is first these 2 algebraic expression, that is 2x into x plus y minus 5y into x plus y. Just keep like this as it is. Just do this calculation, it will be coming 2x square minus 3xy minus 5y square, and this is actually the third term. So here third expression. So do the same thing over here, that is what you have already just done this over here, that is 2 expression, the multiplication of 2 expression, that is 5x into this one minus y into this one. So just do the multiplication over 10, 5 into 2 10 x cube minus into plus minus 15 x square y minus 25 x y square. This is minus 2 x y square x square y minus into minus plus 3 x y square and minus into minus, it is plus 5y cube. So this is coming 10x cube minus 17x square y minus 22x y square plus 5y cube. Try to just solve this 6a and 6b, these 2 exercise, and within this exercise it is actually you will get addition and subtraction and multiplication. In my next video I shall show you the division and with the help of different process of division. Thank you very much.